Yeah, so we're doing our road trip today. We're heading up Grande Riviere. And our first stop is in Rampanagas. We stop in Rampanagas to check some family friend. And these guys in them see a cashew tree. And I want to show all of the cashew. Where's the cashew that's come from?
It's one kind of high. There's some like cashew nuts.
The cashew tree here.
Bird picking.
Oh, a bird picking.
You get one? Mommy.
So, the cashew tree here. So the pick one and I go take a bite. I will see what take a bite and taste it.
I got to take a bite because I chewed them.
Taste it and see.
It's sweet.
It's sweet. Don't let it fall on your clothes, eh? It is stain.
It's sweet.
It's sweet. Alright, let me see where you buy the cashew. And now fall on me too much. One fall on me. Just you guys get nasty already.
Like easy tree to climb. You can do get more.
Nice. Cotton. Oh, look how I pick it here.
Okay. That was fast. What is this cashew for?
The seeders make cashew nuts, and the fruit some people just eat it and just make wine and all to with it.
But how you know so the seed is the cashew nuts?
Yeah, so we the lighthouse road closed, so we had to stop at the beach. We couldn't finish. We're trying to do a call fire challenge video, but we couldn't go to the lighthouse right now, so maybe next time. So these are view of the beach here. What do you think about the beach? It's nice? It's clear? What again? How are you describing this beach? It's beautiful? And what?
It's crystal clear.
Nice. Alright. Next up is by the house. We're going Pawi Estate for the weekend to do some turtle watching tonight. And Nathan and Carl ready. All ready?
Yeah.
I'm going to the river to do some fishing too, right?
Yeah.
So we have a fun action-packed weekend with the rocking fishing boys. Right? All I tell all the viewers anything?
They're going to be good. Excited.
Exciting? Why I'm going to make the video exciting? Are you going to catch any fish?
Yeah. I'm going to watch it tonight. And we're going to catch crayfish too.
Alright, now you're cooking it.
Me.
Alright, nice. So we now reach Pawi Estate. Place looking very nice. A lot of mountain. Very nice estate. And these guys find a cherry tree. I think this called is West Indian cherry. Go and get a cherry and pick one and show them. Pick a red one. Okay, come and show them it. West Indian cherry.
I guess it's sweet.
Sweet. Alright, man. You tasting one too? And we're gonna take a walk down by the river just now.
We find a lemon.
Oh, yeah,
too.
find a lemon too.
I think it's an orange.
And have a nice little lime in area out, so we're gonna check that out just now too. So Kyle now find this. Where is this? Anybody hit us? What fruit is that? Kyle now find that on the
Kyle and Nathan.
Kyle and Nathan.
Like nobody in my here.
Oh. Now find this in the estate.
Hey, look, my next one is two.
Oh, it has some hawks on the estate on this tree here. And it has two parrots quite down to the end. Let me see if I can get the parrots in the video. Yeah. It has two parrots down to the thing.
They have orange wings.
Hawks flying and all too. So the wildlife, plenty wildlife on the estate. So right now we're in Pawi Estate. Can now pick something here. Go hit us on, tell us what fruit is this
I
here.
dare to taste it.
No, don't taste it. Yeah. And we are a hunter. Looking for things to hunt. So Daddy make pilau this time. How it tasting? Good like your own? Or your own was better? Daddy make sapi pilau.
It's hot!
It's hot?
You can see smoke from
Yeah.
that one.
Yeah, like my own. Hot pilau up in Grande Riviere. Rocking fishing boys waiting to go and fish. But as all let's see, it's raining. We can't go nowhere until the rain done. We wanna go down by the river. So as soon as the rain done, we going down. Them boys and them eating, now may finish make palau. Real rain. Dry season, real rain in Grande Riviere.
We go in the river and we're going to catch snap and fish. We're going to sell it for crayfish and in the morning. That's why we wake up early to go and fish it up because it's good at people looking to keep it good. That's how people walking around.
Right, and we in Pawi Estates for the weekend. Place nice and big. We gotta take out, just say this road leading to the river. We gotta take a walk down and see what we see.
We 15 minutes in so far and we think the river is going to have a little sign right there. It's showing which part of Trinidad it is.
Well, it's Matura National Park.
Yeah.
Protect its natural richness. We all have a part to play. First time we come in here, so we gotta try this way. Our next road going that way, but it's a dirt road, so we gotta try the pitch road and see where it takes us. Are you tired yet?
No.
Alright. We'll be then. So we know we take the wrong road, so we come back to where the sign was and we find the right track and we finally reach the river now. Nice. So we now finally reach the river. Wow. River beautiful. So some people building up there and we now come down here to relax a little bit. So we're fishing by the river by the big pool and a small little bush keep running down the we have artificial shrimp. You can't see him in the water and mullet running down the artificial shrimp as well too.
I get a bite from a mullet.
You get a bite from a mullet? Yeah. Plenty mullet running down. And a small bushy running down the line. So I'm not too sure. Keep all the posted. So we caught a little crayfish and Cal using that as bait. Show everybody.
A baby mullet, but then he pop off here. But
Yeah,
he
Cal
pop
just
off, I just didn't look him
so
good.
you using a baby crayfish for bait. Throw it out in the middle, Cal.
Right there, catch him. The bush will fall.
Yeah, but you have to throw it out.
Bush it on.
Look. Cal, catch one. Cal, catch one. High five, Cal. High five. That's how the rocking fishing boys just do it.
That one next one. Please didn't. Oh gosh, eat my crayfish.
See if I get it. Done. Put some water in the bucket.
Oh my gosh. That's two.
So Cal now score a bush here. We thought he would not catch nothing, but he scored one. Empty it out.
Look how much bush.
That plenty?
River part two.
Alright. Oh yeah, I seen a big one too.
And the bush running it up. The bush with it.
Yeah. Pull up your fish, Cal.
And look at the sun. Ow!
Oh, careful. Oh, I'll catch more bait. Nathan.
Oh, bro.
Pull him up. Nice.
We can pay him any fish, bro.
We go see. Put him in the bucket now.
And when I ride your stuff, and when you see fishes in it, you can like think I'm gonna use some
Alright, so Nathan trying now. Cal giving directions on what to do.
because I catch one.
Yeah, he catch one already. You seen them?
How do you leave it? You want? No. So what? Yes. In bushy. Look like he's in it.
Look, yeah. Look here, Ethan, yeah. Nathan, take him. Yeah,
Oh,
he come out. Wheel up and see. They like was coming out. So, bring up our trap. They made this trap out a long time ago. I want to try it out to see if they catch any crayfish. So we have a piece of wabi. Put any wabi in the trap. And we're going to see if we can set it now in this big pool here. We can catch a little bush and we're going to see in the morning if we could come pick it up and catch it, have anything in it. So we're going back by the house now. We'll see. Leave it in, I gotta hold it in your hand. Right, so we going to head back up. We catch one bush here and Kyle gonna release him.
Hey, bro.
Very, very nice bush here catch. Right, and release, catch and release. That's small bush here. Yes. Bye-bye bush here. Nice swimming. Alright, we go in because the rain coming now. A little cloudy and rain falling. Nice pool. We set the trap across and we tied it on a tree across there. So in the morning, I don't know who's gonna swim, but Nathan and I are gonna swim across and pop the trap. We set it in a kind of cave. Who's gonna swim across in the morning?
Me.
Alright. Climb that tall coconut tree over there, boy, Carl. You want to climb that tree over there?
Yeah.
And then pick that coconut?
Yeah.
And then cut it yourself?
No, I cut it.
Oh, have to cut it for you? Oh, I see you climb up that tree and pick that coconut. Alright. I feel Uncle Carlos by I told you.
No.
Okay.
Yeah, see that they would happen there? See what black is up?
Which is? Right here. So we know see our Pawi here.
I can't carry on any bush and sitting out. I can't see nothing.
That's no, eh?
What's here?
Come on, Johnny, see it good. Uncle
Yeah, boy,
Carlos.
big boy.
Uncle Carlos. Uncle Carlos.
Yeah, we spot that Pawi.
Come on, Johnny, see it.
What's here?
First time I see it one in real.
Right there.
Some color, I see one side who's ready. Oh, I see it. No, if it's here, we shall shoot it. Me shoot it.
Yeah.
It's very
Was that like a turkey in shoe?
Yeah, could I want to give Pawi. First time. I said that. Mr. Here? Look at it. I see all of my life. What's here? So I'm going to see something. Oh, God.
You see that in San
Oh. Here, only I see my life. First time in my life. Yeah. Could I want to First time.
So we gotta check out our Pawi. We seen our Pawi on the tree right here now. I'm going with them fellas and them to check it out.
As a making noise.
Yeah, he right on the tree there.
It's two.
Shh, Carl, easy. He in the tree right here. A big fella, boy. He right here, yeah. So another Pawi we see. This one much more closer. Let me see if I could go from the shed and gate. You see him, Carl? Oh, look here. Wow. He's a beauty.
Looking like a turkey.
This one much more closer. It done start to get dark already, so it's a bit difficult to
And this is our rare bird.
yeah. So we're trying to careful. Where him, Kyle? Where? I ain't seen him. Oh, he went up the tree. Oh, look right there. All right. Right next to him. fellas now get this one here. A nice big one. See, this one here, can't lay. Now get one on top of it. That's what I'm up and put in my hand. So you can't put in my hand when it's big, it's real big. Watch my hand in front of that crayfish. It's a real big fella. It's real big. What did I say? High five. Kyle, high five. Alright, nice. Rockin' fishing boys in action.
Oh my god.
Hey, Nathan, bring him up. Nathan, get one here. Bring him up. Alright, let me see the size of this one here.
Nice, not bad.
Nice fella. Alright, can't wait.
It's difficult to catch though.
Yeah,
As well.
good fella. Alright, high five.
What kind of food?
Alright. Get him.
Again.
Alright. That double teamwork. Alright. Good job. Good teamwork. High five. You got your double high five. Nice. High five. High five, Carl. High five, Nathan. Teamwork. So you now come across it. You now come across it. Now big fella. Ah! You got a big grasshopper flying. You gone. You know, I now come across it and a big grasshopper attack us, yes? Or locust. A big locust.